First up, we have Pankaj who sent in a question, and he says that he's taken a loan of 33 lakh rupees for his flat, while the actual cost of the flat is 60 lakh rupees. Now, he's currently paying an interest of 9.55% to HDFC Bank. He had availed this loan last year for 20 years. Now, he wants to know if he should switch to SBI because they're offering a lesser interest rate, and if yes, then should he go for a 15-year loan? He's okay with the EMI going up. What would you say? Time to switch?
Obviously, because 9.55 is too high a rate. He should obviously look to switch, and I think if his interest rate is what is making him switch, then he could do well to look at Bank of Baroda as well. If your credit score is higher than 760, then you should go for something that Bank of Baroda calls its home loan advantage, which is basically a savings account linked to your loan, and effectively whatever money you keep deposited in the savings account, you get the same interest rate on that as your home loan. Effectively you save on interest on home loan. If your credit score is more than 760, that loan could be available at 8.35%. That is currently, I think, the cheapest in the industry. Also, I think Bank of Baroda has pretty decent processing facilities, so that's something you should definitely try. He can look at max gain, which is SBI's proposal, and that will get you about 8.65. You should also look at private sector players, and I think the names are flashing on the screen, which will basically around the same rate. My point is, look at these bank account linked home loans. That really allows you to save interest rates, and that is available only from banks. It isn't available from housing finance companies.
Bank account linked home loans which help you to save on interest rates, save and actually get you a better deal. Now, that is something that we need to keep in mind. Also, tell us this, Harsh. We know that a lot of, we are getting a lot of questions from people, obviously from viewers who want to switch home loans. And one thing that every expert that we bring onto the show tells us is that if you should be ideally, approaching your own lender first and then going and looking out for a better deal. Are lenders open to giving you a better deal? I mean, if you're an existing customer, are they actually giving you better deals? What is happening in the market?
Absolutely. So I think he can also approach HDFC, and I think they would charge him roughly 0.58% of the outstanding loan amount and give him a new rate. In this particular case, even the new rate that they charge currently is nowhere near what Bank of Baroda is willing to give. Also, being an housing finance company, HDFC is not able to offer the bank account linked product.
He has an account, he has a home loan from HDFC Bank, he says.
So when I think that is a nomenclature, HDFC Bank doesn't do home loans. It is an HDFC
limited loan that HDFC Bank actually sells. So that's what you need to keep in mind. But yes, apart setting Bank of Baroda aside, what I'm trying to ask here is, if I were to approach my own lender today and ask them for a better deal, are they actually giving that? What is happening in the market?
Oh, absolutely. I think every lender does not want to lose a good client, and therefore, and it is also administratively convenient for you. Switching lenders is a little administratively inconvenient, though now doorstep delivery is available. But if you really don't want to even do that much, then obviously the least you can do is threaten to switch. And by threatening to switch itself, you will, like magic, be able to get 0.5% or 1% or maybe even sometimes more lower than what you are paying today.
Right, and those of course are the rates, the current rates offered by banks and home finance companies that are flashing on your screens. And as you can see, like Harsh rightly pointed out, BOB or Bank of Baroda is actually offering the lowest rate at the moment at 8.35%. So that's, and like he did say, the first thing that you need to do when you're looking to switch a home loan is call up your own lender and threaten to switch. That might just get you a good deal without having to do anything about it.
You can watch live TV on our website mpnow.in. Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/magicbricksnow. And don't forget to click the like button. You can also follow us on Twitter at Magic Bricks Now. To stay updated with all our programming, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel by logging on to youtube.com/Magic Bricks Now.